Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Farhan Ramadan. I'm from Class C, Faculty of Pharmacy Unjani. First of all, I would like to say thank you for watching this video. It's great to see you all. In this part of my presentation, I will talk to you guys about the global health and access to medicines in Greece. Hopefully, it will help to increase your knowledge about this topic. Here are the table of contents from this presentation. In this presentation, I will focus on 6 major topics. That is, history of pharmacy in ancient Greece, the relationship between pharmacy in ancient and modern times in Greece, development of access to medicines, how to open a pharmacy in Greece, roles and service, and the last is regulations and industry. So, let's get started. In the first point, I will discuss about history of pharmacy in ancient Greece. The ancient Greeks made lots of contributions to modern medicine. In fact, a doctor's vocabulary contains thousands of words with Greek roots, including paralysis, diarrhea, pancreas, and esophagus. Pharmaceutical scientists in ancient Greece. First is Asclepius. Asclepius is the god of healing and medicine in ancient Greek mythology. Asclepius was often depicted with a staff and twinned with snakes, rod of Asclepius, which become a universal symbol for the medical and pharmaceutical professions. The snake wrapped around his staff is thought to symbolize regeneration and healing. In the Greek legend, Asclepius, the god of the healing art, delegated to Hygieia the duty of compounding his remedies. Asclepius and his cult played an important role in the early development of pharmaceutical science by combining the use of medicinal plants, healing practices, and medical documentation. The second one is Hippocrates. One of the most influential doctors in the classical Greece was called Hippocrates. At that time, most Greeks believed that diseases are caused by angry gods or demons. In 516 until 317 before century, Hippocrates, known as the father of medicines, founded a school of medicines that focused on treating the causes of disease rather than just its symptoms. The works of Hippocrates contain 300 medicinal plants classified by physiological action. Hippocrates, on the other hand, believed that disease had natural causes which could be explained by science. The last one is Pedanius Dioscorides, the Materia Medica. Dioscorides wrote an encyclopedic work on herbs and medicines, covering descriptions, uses, and side effects of various medicinal plants and minerals. This work has been a major reference for centuries. Let's now move on the next point. The next point is the relationship between pharmacy in ancient and modern times in Greece. In a land known its timeless beauty and rich history, Greece holds an important place in the evolution of global healthcare. The relationship between ancient and modern pharmacy in Greece is marked by a deep legacy of knowledge, practices, and ethical principles that have been passed down through the centuries. The contributions of ancient Greece continue to inform and inspire contemporary pharmacists, ensuring that the wisdom of the past is integrated with the innovations of the present to improve health and well-being. Today, Greece pharmacies combine traditional remedies with modern pharmaceuticals, embodying a unique blend of old and new. You can find an array of products from age-old herbal mixtures to the latest medications, addressing everything from common colds to chronic conditions. Next is development of access to medicines. Unlike many countries, in Greece, the pharmacist is not just a dispenser of medicines, but an accessible healthcare professional. They provide advice on medication usage, minor ailments, and general health concerns. Even in the remotest islands, you will find a pharmacist, a testament to Greece's commitment to health access in all corners of the country, and when health emergency strikes in the quietest hours, rest assured Greek pharmacists have you covered many operate 24 hours a day, ensuring continuous healthcare support. Training for Greek pharmacists is intense and comprehensive, fostering a deep understanding of medical substance and their impact on the human body. After examining this point, let's turn to the next point. The next point is how to open a pharmacy in Greece. If you want to open a pharmacy in Greece, the license to establish a pharmacy is granted by after the opinion of the relevant pharmaceutical association by decision of the competent prefect. In order to obtain the above license, the applicant must meet specific conditions. The terms are the terms are as follows: Greek citizenship or nationality of one of the member states of the EUCA degree in pharmaceutical school, and a license to practice pharmacy in Greece. The next one is roles and service. First is drug sales. Pharmacies stock a variety of prescription and non-prescription drugs, including generic and brand name drugs. Medical consultations, pharmacies often provide medical advice, helping patients understand medication use, dosage, and potential side effects. Health products, apart from medicines, pharmacies also sell other health products such as vitamins, supplements, beauty products, and personal care. Additional service. Some pharmacies offer additional service such as blood pressure measurements, health consultations, and vaccinations. Let's now take a look at regulation and industry. Modern Greece has a strict pharmaceutical regulatory system to ensure that the safety and effectiveness of drugs. The pharmaceutical industry in Greece is growing and contributing to the country's economy, with many companies producing generic and innovative medicines. The way medicine is distributed in Greece is not only through pharmacies, but there are also medicines distributed by online. In Greece, only antibiotics are prescribed along with controlled medicines. All other medicines can be obtained from pharmacies without a prescription. Pharmacies in Greece. When a doctor prescribes a medication, you want it as soon as possible, whether it's during the day, at night, during the week, or on a holiday. People want to know where and how they may get an urgently needed medication as soon as possible. Here are the conclusions about this presentation. Pharmacy in modern Greece is heavily influenced by knowledge and practices originating in ancient Greece. Respect for historical heritage is seen in symbols, educations, research, and medical practice. Modern Greece combines ancient traditions with scientific innovation to continue to advance in the field of pharmacy, ensuring that the knowledge and principles that have survived through the centuries remains relevant and useful. Access to pharmaceutical medicines in Greece is regulated by various policies and systems aimed at ensuring that people can get the medicines they need. Despite economic and logistical challenges, government efforts, strict regulations, and innovation in healthcare are helping to maintain the availability and affordability of medicines. The national health system and support from pharmacies play an important role in ensuring widespread and sustainable access to medicines in Greece. Then, here is a quote from the father of medicines, namely Hippocrates. He said, "A wise man should consider and that health is the greatest of human blessings, and learn how by his own thought to derive benefit from his illness." Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention and watching this video. Sorry if there are any mistakes in my pronunciation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.